Welcome to HeART Workshop 2, providing artists with entrepreneurial competences so that they can make a business from their art. In this video, we will focus on digital collaboration and community, the influence they have, the impact it has on your audience, the digital tools and platforms, and how to promote yourself in an online environment. The influence of digital collaboration and community. Working with like-minded creative people with various talents or backgrounds is advantageous. The different art industries contain people with diverse skill sets and trades. Collaborating with other creative people who can provide complementary skills and ideas will enhance your work and art knowledge. Each person, including you, has something distinctive to donate. So, when you work with others, you're learning and teaching all at once. Remember, an artist community of like-minded people can help enhance your creative process. The impact on your audience. Working with other artists exposes you to their audience. Tapping into the audience of another artist is an excellent method to gain possible customers and increase your exposure. When teaming with other artists, you are giving your audience a chance to see you working on something fresh. This keeps your audience engaged and interested to come back for more to see what you'll do next. Digital collaboration tools and platforms. Collaboration has forever been at the epicenter of creating art. It's essential. During COVID-19, artists depended on digital collaboration tools and platforms so that they could continue to make a living. Now more than ever, it is crucial to utilize these tools and platforms so that artists can remain connected. Digital community tools and platforms. Social media is a fantastic way for artists to link with others who are in the same industry as them. Social media profiles mirror people and their art. Social media sites like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and Twitter are the fastest methods to grow brand recognition for you and your art business. In addition to social media, blogs are a terrific method to promote your personal brand, market your art, and deliver customer service. Emailing is probably the most undervalued form of publicizing yourself online. It is an immediate way into someone's inbox. Digital collaboration and community is an important competence that artists can take advantage of so that they can make a business from their art. Digital collaboration and community is a free competence that nearly all artists can use or learn to use to make a business from their art. It is about finding which works best for your art and harnessing that. Well done! Now you are aware of digital collaboration and community and are ready to begin Workshop 2. For more information on HeART and how you can make a business from your art, why not check out the HeART Project workshops?